Hey guys, I'm Amy Baines. I want to show you a personalised blonde and a wave tutorial today. We just want to add in some more depth through here, a bit more dimension to her colour, and then kind of create more of a pearly sort of gloss through the ends, so then more of a dark and natural blonde. Foiling underneath her crown, fine but deep, a little bit finer through this section here because her hair can split and you don't want to see a darker foil. Super fine. And then you can see I go in a little bit more deeper through here. So you can see this little fine weave here, I go a little bit more deeper. So when I drop that down, you can see that that's super fine near her crown area. I am going to go in with a faux foil, because I do want it to be super natural through that root area, but very saturated through this section. You know the foil is going to come out really clean and not blow up to be a warm tone. As I am coming more to the side, I am finding it off a little bit. When she ties it up, I don't want her to see any sort of lining. So I am alternating between fine and bigger weaves. I want to create more of a natural sort of colour / foil. So alternating between a fine and a thicker weave creates that variation that you would like. Stroking it from side to side like this will make sure that you have that guaranteed saturation. Forward doesn't get right through to the ends of the back of the hair, so you kind of want to just rotate it going side to side. You can see my sectioning work is in a diagonal section. So this foil here also then relates to my face framing. If she will put it up, you really need to focus on bringing this foil really deep so you can see it coming through her hairline. So you can see that that's going to show through when she pulls her hair up. And I am going to go right to the root on this one. You want to see the lightness around her hairline. So I'm just going to do the tiniest baby light through her crown, just to break up sort of this section. But it's almost like you don't want to see it. I will come back to this and tone it for you. My baby lights are like micro fine, almost so you can't see them, but they make such a difference at the end. I'm going to faux foil this section. And don't worry about it if you get it on the other hair, because you can easily just wipe that off. Going in with my saturating positioning. So that will be the end of my crown foiling for now. You can see I am going in a diagonal section. This means my patterning is going to come up to about here. Her hairline then ends there, and I'll come in and go through this way. You get more out of your colour coming in this way rather than this way. So you can see now my sectioning has changed. So I still keep coming up on that diagonal. Now I'm coming up this diagonal to then meet up with the part. you can see now I've left a little bit of sectioning through here near the part. Definitely don't want to make this lighter for her. I want to bring down her natural. I'll show you that in the way I colour in between the foil through here, just getting rid of that brass. Now I'm going to go through in between with a Shades EQ toner and cover from here to about here, just to soften out this section, because we do want to deepen all the midsection through here. What the foils will do will create that contrast, bringing it through. So I am bringing this section back and bringing this right down. When this section falls forward, you are going to see that darkness through there. Bringing that right back to about here. Make sure you do saturate it. Colour choice today in Shades EQ Redken is 7NB, 8N, 9T, because we do want to keep it on that cooler natural side. I did leave a sprinkle out here because she's got a really beautiful natural tone through here, so I want to utilise that in my colour. And I'm not taking this so back as what I was near that crown section. I kind of just want to feather it through and see that lightness around the front. Back to this section, you can see where I've stopped there, but I then now want to feather that blonde piece down. It's all about personalising and really thinking about your section work. With the change of seasons, we do like to introduce cooler shades. Karina's hair has had a flashing through the summer. I want to keep it really low maintenance and introduce that cool sort of shade. So I definitely like to have more of a personalised approach to my blondes, as every head of hair is different. For Karina today, we definitely want to have more low maintenance sort of colour. I like to tailor it to their personality or style. Karina's hair speaks for itself. To take out about 50 to 60% of the moisture before I then add in some product. I am going to put a mist of rootful through her hair, spraying at the roots and mist on the mid-lengths. Now I've misted through my rootful, I'm now going to put a couple of drops of All Soft to serum that through. And I'm now going to apply it through mid-lengths and ends. Whatever else I've got left in my hands, I'm going to smear that through her front bits, as they are more fragile than the rest of the hair. You definitely want to take care of these bits. Now I'm going to show you how I would blow dry Karina's front section. I'm going to take a triangle section. Create my bend through here. So you'll see as I am blow drying, you'll see when I take that bend, and when I take that bend, that means it will open up her face a little bit more through here. Start off blow drying the roots of her hair in a directional forward, side and side. Rotate that a couple of times, so then you'll see you'll get that peak and that volume through here that we need. blow drying my fringe, and then I'm gonna flip this over, flip it in, and that helps to hold and set the tone for this front section through here. We'll give it a really bit more of a volume through there. Now I have gone through and smoothed Karina's hair right out. You can see it does have that smooth effect, but not really flat. Like it's still got a little bit of body through there. Karina does have wavy, sort of frizzy hair, so to go through and smooth it first with the blow dryer will then make it easier for us to then wave or tong or whatever you're doing. Go through and show you my technique. So I am going to go through with my GHD tong, which is my absolute favourite. I go by, say, a 20-cent piece. I have gone for the smaller tong because I can manipulate the curl by opening up the tong. I am taking through a diagonal section. I don't want to go through a straight section because you kind of want to go in the shape of the head so it falls into that really beautiful wave. First section, I'm going to take just behind the ear. I do want it to be a little bit more of a bigger wave. Really get that tension going on the hair. You can see here it's a little bit frizzy around the hairline. So what I'll do first is I'll kind of go through, smooth that up. I get more of that body coming up through. And then this way, always away from the face as well. So it opens up her jawline. Rotate this forward. And you can see here I've stopped through this section because I want my wave then to start from here. Section actually makes a huge impact on the way that your hair falls at the very end. It actually comes through here and creates that wave everybody sees. I like to keep this super soft. So see how I'm directing it down, not up, because I don't want the wave to be too curly through here. So you just want to make this super soft. Really controlling that. And really just really gently. Coming in with my diagonal sections. You really want the sectioning to be in the shape of your head. A horseshoe section. See how I'm bringing it up through here? So this means this section will then have that body through here. Just manipulate every section. Really think about where you want it to fall on the hair. See how I am opening up my tong? It's going to give me a little bit more of a bigger sort of wave through this section. You can really manipulate the curl. Straight across. It's in sort of a triangle section, a bit lopsided, but doesn't matter. Split it into two. Coming in from behind, make sure it's directing up. The opposite way, still direction up, coming in and following this way. It is really just thinking about where every section falls. I want this to be a really soft, beautiful wave. I'm going to come around, basically just reinforcing what I've done. And I really want to come in through this angle and really direction this back and just work it. You can see already here it's creating that volume. You can still feel that's quite hot. Put my clip back in and let that cool. See where my clip goes? Really going to go in this sort of dint through here. That's where I want my curl to fall. Let this cool right down. So basically it's all cooled down now. I'm going to use my favourite product, Wind Blow. I'm going to put this through the mid-length. Through here, side, take it through the end. It really, really does just hold that. Now, don't be afraid to really dress this out. I'll get you to pop your head back for me. So you can really see where I did open up this section. It has given that volume around her face. That colour work now that it's all dry. See that beautiful sort of face framing, but it's super, super soft from our baby lights. See that beautiful dimension, natural sort of tone coming through that crown area. End result, a drop of the serum. Not on all hair types, but definitely for Karena's. Scrunch it out, or even just pat out those ends. Let's give it a really beautiful, soft, healthy sort of blonde.